Cheesecake Factory cinnamon roll pancakes. Did y'all know Cheesecake Factory made brunch? A lot of people don't know that, but the brunch is bomb and the pancakes are incredible. So I decided to use their recipe and make it at home. I'm just mixing my wet ingredients together in this bowl: eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and then in the other bowl, I'm mixing my dry flour, baking powder. I'm going to link the recipe down below so y'all have the exact measurements. This is more just so you can see the technique that I use to make the pancakes. They're so good. Once you mix the batter together like this, you're really gonna do a folding motion so that you're not like over mixing the batter, because then the pancake ends up kind of like flat and lifeless. You kind of want to keep them airy and fluffy. So you're going to pour the batter onto your hot griddle. I'm using a little bit of oil as well. And this is their cinnamon swirl mixture that they also give you the recipe for. So you're going to go ahead and mix that in. Once the pancakes are golden brown on each side, you really just serve them up. So I made a whole stack of these joints and they were gone. Yeah, they were gone. I served it just with some sausage and some scrambled eggs. This is just a really delicious like weekend at home brunch meal to make if you don't feel like waiting in line at the Cheesecake Factory. This is definitely something you can do for yourself. Thanks, Cheesecake Factory, for the recipe.